Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications, also known as dApps. It was conceived in 2013 by programmer Vitalik Buterin and officially launched in 2015. Ethereum's native cryptocurrency is called Ether, or ETH. Ethereum provides a decentralized and open-source platform that allows developers to build and deploy applications on its network. The platform has gained immense popularity due to its robust capabilities and flexibility. Some key use cases of Ethereum and its native cryptocurrency, Ether, include 1. Smart contracts. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Smart contracts automate and ensure the enforceability of agreements without the need for intermediaries. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are a major use case for Ethereum's platform. These applications span a variety of domains, including finance, gaming, supply chain management, and more. They leverage the security and transparency provided by Ethereum's blockchain. Decentralized finance, often referred to as DeFi, is another groundbreaking innovation driven by Ethereum. It aims to recreate traditional financial systems using decentralized technologies. DeFi applications include lending, borrowing, decentralized exchanges, and automated market makers. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are supported by Ethereum's ERC 721 standard. These unique digital assets have found applications in various fields such as digital art, collectibles, and gaming. NFTs enable the creation and trading of one-of-a-kind items on the blockchain. Tokenization and crowdfunding. Ethereum facilitates the creation and management of custom digital tokens using its smart contract functionality. This has led to various forms of crowdfunding, tokenization of assets, and token-based incentives. Decentralized identity. Ethereum's platform can be used to create systems for decentralized identity management. This provides users with greater control and ownership of their digital identities. Governance and voting. Ethereum-based applications can be used for decentralized governance and voting mechanisms. These serve various organizational and democratic functions. While Ethereum has been instrumental in the development of these use cases, it's essential to note that cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies are subject to regulatory, technical, and market risks. As the industry evolves, potential users and developers should stay up to date with the latest developments and regulations pertinent to Ethereum and the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem.